In this video, I'll show you how to add a chart to a Salesforce Lightning report so you can turn rows of data into a clear visual summary. Start by opening the Reports tab and selecting an existing report that already contains meaningful data. To use charts effectively, your report should include at least one grouping, since summary or matrix reports support charting better than simple tabular reports. Click Edit to enter the report builder, then use the Add Chart button in the top panel. Salesforce will generate a default chart based on your current groupings and summarized fields. You can adjust the chart type, such as bar, column, or donut, depending on how you want to compare values. If no chart appears, check that your report returns records and includes a grouped field. Charts automatically update when filters change, giving you a dynamic visual view without altering underlying data. Subscribe for more tutorials.